Hello and welcome to my video today. I'm going to be showing how to pair an NFC card to the Fisker Ocean. I happen to get a new card and I am going to pair this with the Ocean, and I currently have two cards. One of them I use all the time. The other one I've misplaced, so I'd like to always have a second one on hand for emergency in the house, or if I'm going on a trip, to have a second one with me. So I am going to pair this one with the car. So just to show you that it is not paired, I'm going to hold it up to the door handle, and as you can see, it's not doing anything. So it is unpaired. Here is one of my original cards, and it does work. Going to insert the V-Linker FD Plus Bluetooth OBD2 dongle into the car, and then I'm going to start the OceanLink Pro app. All right, I'm starting the app on the phone. Going to go into the diagnostics mode. Going to proceed. Now I'm going to turn the car on. All right, it's in ready mode. Gonna do the VIN check, verifying VIN. I'm gonna tap retry. Sometimes you get an error with the VIN. Just hit retry if you happen to have that. Then I'm gonna continue. I'm going to go to advanced routines. Gonna go to key fob and card pairing. I'm going to read the number of paired NFC cards, and it shows that there are two cards paired. You can have up to 4 NFC cards with a Fisker Ocean. I'm going to pair NFC card. Please ensure your card is ready to be paired. The process may take a few seconds. Place the NFC card on the NFC reader. Press OK to start pairing. So the NFC reader is right here. There's a little embossed symbol for that. I'm going to press it right there. I'm going to press OK on the app. It said failed to switch PKC to extended mode, close. So I am going to try it again. Pair NFC card. I'm going to place it right here. Press OK. And it says pair NFC card result, pair process completed, close. Now I'm going to read the number of paired NFC cards. It still says 2 on here. Interesting. I wonder why it does that. So let me go outside and test. So here's the original. And here is the new one. Interesting. Not working. Let's try pair NFC card. Place the card on the reader. Press OK. Pairing process complete. Read the number of paired cards. It now shows 3. So press OK. So let's test out the new card. So here is the brand new card. And it works great. So I showed how to pair an NFC card with the OceanLink Pro app. Always verify the number of paired cards so that they're equal to what it should be. In this case, it is 3. If I do want to delete that one card, I could do that, but I'm going to keep it on just in case I find it. I know it's somewhere in the garage. And you could do the same thing with the fobs if you wish. So I hope that gives you an idea of how easy it is to add or subtract an NFC card using the OceanLink Pro app. Oh, and by the way, make sure that you exit the app and remove the OBD reader from the port. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.